Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Or if you find this video particularly useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that just simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is perfect if you love listening to music, or maybe you like to work out and you want to drown out the world around you. And it is a really cool pair of earbuds. So this was sent over by a company called Clear. They make absolutely amazing headphones and earbuds. In this particular model is the Arc 3 Sports Pro. So once you open up the box, naturally you're going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This is how you're going to power up the case and the earbuds themselves. You're going to get a little user manual here, pretty straightforward. We're gonna go over all the details, and then you're gonna get a little cleansing cloth to keep them nice and clean if you wish. And then you're gonna get the nice little case here. Now, these things are tech heavy and really, really cool. So first off, on the case, you can see that it has a nice digital screen here on the front with a clock. On the back side is where the USB Type-C plug-in is to charge it up. Now, when you open the digital screen here, just simply slide it and it will unlock. And this is gonna have a lot of options for you where you can customize and control your earbuds from the device itself. So first off, this first screen, it's gonna tell you what is playing itself. And then at the top, it's gonna tell you how much each little earbud has as far as battery and how much the case itself has. And then just swipe through and you're gonna have the settings for head tracking, Dolby Atmos. You're gonna have basically the ability to change your different equalization, flat, basically the sound of it, rock, all that kind of typical stuff. You got your hearing adjustment. It's gonna even calculate your steps if you are walking. It's gonna have screen timeout settings, a little clock setting, find your earbuds. You can even utilize the case to control your camera, screen brightness. There's a lot of different options to go through and explore just right here on the front, which just makes it really convenient because you don't have to open up your phone to adjust the settings themselves. Now, once you open it up, as you can see, it's a nice little set here. It looks like very much like a compact case. They have a nice mirror. So ladies, if you're wanting to touch up any makeup, you can do that with the nice little mirror. And then you have where you have your earbuds themselves. So just simply pull them out. They are over the ear, which is nice. So especially, it makes you more aware of around your surroundings. So if somebody does like honk the horn or something like that, you're gonna hear it. But they're really sound absolutely amazing, which we're gonna go over here in a minute. So just simply put them over. They are fully adjustable. The part, it does pull down or push up. So if you need to tweak it, it does do that. It has a full silicone kind of wingtip, if you will. So, and then it slides around. If you are jogging or running, they are gonna stay nice and secure. You're not gonna have to worry about them flopping off. Like sometimes the ones that go in your ear, they just don't have a perfect fit. These, no matter how much you're shaking, they're gonna be nice and secure. Now, one other thing I wanna point out about the case is it has a cool feature. You see the little two lights down there? This set has UVC sterilization put in here. So once you put them in there, it'll run that ultraviolet light there, that UVC light, and basically sterilize them so they're all nice and clean and ready to go for your next usage. But yeah, so as you can see, they're very, very comfortable. Sound quality, absolutely, for earbuds over, they sound really, really amazing. And you can basically completely tweak it via the app. Like I said, you can go ahead and adjust the bass, the treble, all that fun stuff that you would expect. They do have the Snapdragon sound chip built into them, and they do have Dolby Audio built in there with the Atmos features in there. So that's really, really cool. They also have head tracking. So what is head tracking? If you pair this to your phone, because it does connect via Bluetooth, and you can connect it to two devices simultaneously. So you can have it connected to your phone and a PC if you wish. And when you're on your phone, if all of a sudden you get a phone call and you want to utilize these, you can do that. Simply shake your head yes, and it'll answer the call. Or if you don't, just shake your head no, and it won't answer that call. That is an optional feature. You just can turn that on or turn that off as you wish. Once again, you can do it through the app or you can do it through the touchscreen itself. You don't necessarily have to use the app if it's not around or convenient itself. Now, while these are the sports edition, they have some extra features built into them. Believe it or not, these earbuds will track your heart rate. So if you are out there doing a nice run or a jog or working out, they will track your heart rate. It will also track your oxygen levels and report that via the app, so you can see those statistics if you wish to see those statistics, which is a nice little feature on them. As far as battery life, the earbuds themselves, they're gonna each have about 8 hours of battery life. However, the case has an additional 32 hours. So total, you're gonna have 40 hours of use. When you pop this in, about 15 minutes of charge time in the case is gonna get you about 2 hours. So if you are in a long flight and they die on you, a little bit in the case and you're gonna be good to go. So they do have that rapid charge at the front. They are designed once again for sports. So they have that IPX7 water resistant rating so they can get sweaty, even light rain out there if you're jogging. Obviously you don't wanna drop them in the pool, that will destroy them. So just kind of light rain as far as utilizing them. But overall, very, very comfortable to wear. That's one of the things I love about them. You have that spatial awareness by them just sitting on the outside of your ear. However, they're fully encompassing when it comes to that sound. It has a really rich sound. One of the things I cannot stress, the sound is absolutely really, really amazing as far as the aspects. As far as controlling, they are touch sensitive. So if you want to skip songs, you just simply tap. If you're wanting to change the volume, one is on the up increase, like so you do the right side to increase volume, left side to decrease the volume. You can answer phone calls from them by tapping multiple times if you don't have the head tracking turned on and features like that. But overall, great pair of headphones. If you are looking for some super comfortable headphones that sound absolutely great, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.